Today, we would like to present our database management system project for Camelia Beauty Studio. Camelia Beauty Studio is a beauty and personal care center that provides a wide range of services for both female and male clients. The services are divided into four main categories, which are hair, face, nails, and beauty. Under this category, the studio offers services such as haircut, hair washing, hair coloring, hair rebonding, hair spa, facial treatment, manicure, pedicure, eyebrow threading, and lash extension. As the number of customers continues to grow, the studio needs a more efficient and systematic way to manage its daily operation and customer information. Previously, the studio relied entirely on a manual record-keeping system. Customer details and service records were written and stored manually, making it time-consuming to update, retrieve, and organize information. This manual process also increased the risk of data loss, duplicate records, human error, and difficulties in preparing reports. To overcome these challenges, we developed a database management system using Microsoft Excel. The system consists of tables, relationships, queries, forms, and reports that help organize customer and service information in a more structured and efficient way. With this system, data can be retrieved more quickly, maintained more easily, and managed with greater accuracy while also simplifying report generation. Therefore, this report focuses on the limitation of the previous manual system and demonstrates how our database system improves operational efficiency, enhance data management, and better support the daily operation of Camelia Beauty Studio. Before Camelia Beauty Studio implemented a computerized database management system, all customer information, appointment booking, and service records were managed manually using paper files and record books. This method was suitable when the salon had only a small number of customers. However, as the business continued to grow and more customers visit the salon every day, the manual system became less efficient and the possibility of making mistakes also increased. So, the first problem is disorganized record keeping. The salon store customer details, appointment, schedule, and service records in notebooks and paper files. As the customer of number can increase, this record became difficult to organize properly. For example, when a customer arrives for an appointment, staff often need to search through many pages before finding the correct record. This caused delay in service customers and reduced work efficiency. Besides that, because the records were handwritten, some information was difficult to read. Documents could also be placed in the wrong file, making it tough to retrieve incorrect information or spend even more time searching for the correct record.
The second problem is the risk of data loss and damage. Since all information was stored on paper, the record could easily be damaged by water, fire, insect, or simply become worn out over time. In addition, files could be misplaced or accidentally thrown away without anyone noticing. Another important issue is that the salon did not have any backup system. This means that if customer record or appointment information were lost, there will be no way to recover them. This could interrupt daily business operation and reduce customer confidence in the salon. The third problem is difficulty in data retrieval and analysis. Whenever staff need specific information, they had to manually search through many paper records. This process took a lot of time, especially when dealing with a large number of customers. For example, if the salon owner wants to know which beauty service was the most popular or want to calculate the monthly income, staff had to count everything manually. Besides being time-consuming, this also increased the risk of calculation error. As a result, management could not make business decisions quickly because important information was not easily available. The fourth problem is inefficient communication and scheduling. All appointments were recorded in appointment book. Whenever customer want to make, change, or cancel an appointment, staff had to manually check the schedule. Without a centralized system, appointment clash or double booking could happen. In addition, staff need to remind customer about their appointments manually. Sometimes, reminder could be forgotten, which causing customer to miss their appointment. This affect customer satisfaction and also waste the seller's working hours. For the last problem is the lack of query and filtering capabilities. The manual system did not allow staff to search for information quickly. If they want to find all appointments on a certain date or identify loyal customers who visited frequently, they had to go through every record one by one. This process was slow and could easily lead to mistakes. Because of this limitation, it was difficult for the salon to analyze customer behavior, prepare report, or plan marketing activities to improve the business.
Next, I will explain part 3.0, which is the recommendation to overcome the problem faced by Camelia Beauty Studio. To solve this issue of manual record management, a Microsoft Access Database Management System or DBMS was developed. To propose system consists of 2 tables, 5 query, 3 form, 3 report, and 1 relationship diagram. This system is designed to improve data management, reduce human error, and increase operational efficiency. Firstly, we create the customer table. This table stores all important customer information such as customer ID, customer name, gender, phone number, appointment date, selected service, and email address. The customer ID acts as the primary key, which means every customer has unique record in the database. The purpose of this table is to store customer information systematically, reduce duplicate record, and improve data accuracy and organization. Secondly, we developed the service table. This table stores information about the service offered by the beauty studio, including service category, duration, and pricing. In this table, the customer ID acts as foreign key and links to the service information to the customer table. This table helps the business record appointment, manage service transaction, and maintain accurate pricing information. Next, we create 5 queries to help management retrieve and analyze information efficiently. The first query displays female customer who book hair service. This query The first queries display female customer who book hair services. This query help management identify the demand for hair services among female customers. The second query displays service with a duration of more than 60 minutes and a price of more than 100 ringgit. This query help management identify longer and higher value service and understand customer preferences. The third query displays all services under the face and nail categories. Through this query, management can monitor the popularity of this treatment and make better business decisions. The fourth query displays appointments that are scheduled in July 2026. This query assists management in reviewing and monitoring monthly appointment schedule more efficiently. The fifth query is a calculated field query that calculates discount for customer. In this system, customer who choose hair services receive a 20% discount. This query helps management monitor promotional activity and evaluate discount strategy. Besides query, we also create the 3 forms to make the system more user-friendly. The first form is the customer registration form. This form allows employees to enter, update, and manage customer information easily and accurately. The second form is the service booking form. This form is used to record customer appointment and service transaction quickly and efficiently. The third form is the dashboard form. This form allows employees to search for information, add new record, save changes and delete record whenever necessary. It provides easy navigation and improve the efficiency of daily operation. Furthermore, the system also includes 3 reports. The first report is the customer information report, which is provide a complete list of customer information and helps management to maintain customer records. The second report is the health services transaction report. This report summarizes all health service transactions and help management analyze customer preferences and business performance. The third report is discount analysis report. This report displays the discount given to the customer and helps management evaluate promotional activities.
Moving on to the relationship diagram. For our database, we establish a one-to-many relationship between the customer table and the service table. This means one customer can have multiple service booking, but each booking record must be linked to exactly one customer, so there are no ambiguity in the data. The link is made through the customer ID field. It acts as the primary key in the customer table and acts as a foreign key in the service table. This is what connects the two tables together. We also enforce referential integrity on this relationship. In practical terms, this means two things. First, a booking cannot be created unless the customer ID already exists in the customer table, so there are no open records. Second, a customer record can be deleted if they still have existing booking linked to them. This protects our data from accidental loss. As you can see in the diagram from Microsoft Access, the line connects the customer ID field from both tables with a 1 on the customer side and the infinity symbol on the service side. That's the standard notation for one-to-many. To conclude this project, the Camelia Beauty Studio database management system was built to solve the real problem the studio faced with their old manual record keeping. By moving to a structured Microsoft Access database, we significantly improve how efficiently and accurately customer and service data can be managed. The system is built on two core tables, the customer table with 40 records and the service table with over 12 service records, connected through the one-to-many relationship we just covered. This keeps the data consistent and avoid duplication. On top of that, we built fast query to support different business needs, 4 using compound criteria and 1 calculated field query, so staff can filter and analyze data by gender, service, category, price or discount with just a few clicks. For usability, we created 3 forms: the customer form, service form and the beauty dashboard, complete with command button to make navigation simple and reduce data entry errors. And finally, 3 reports were generated to present the information clearly for business monitoring and decision making. Overall, this project shows how Microsoft Access can be a practical, low-cost database solution for small business like Camelia Beauty Studio, improving not just efficiency but also data accuracy and reliability. Going forward, we would like to recommend the studio keep the database regularly updated, customer info, services and pricing so the system stay useful and accurate as the business grows.